How many of us can say, with certainty, what jobs we would choose if we were kids today? The pace of technological change in the time I've been in work is only a shadow of what we will see over the next 15 to 20 years. This next wave of change will fundamentally reshape all of our careers, my own included. It's estimated that some 65% of children entering primary schools today will likely work in roles that don't currently exist. We expect the pace of change in the job market to start to accelerate by 2020. Office and administrative functions, along with manufacturing and production roles, will see dramatic declines, accounting for over 6 million roles over the next 4 years. Conversely, business and financial operations along with computer and mathematical functions will see steep rises. There is a central driver for many of these transformations, and it is technology. Artificial intelligence, 3D printing, resource-efficient sustainable production and robotics will factor into the ways we currently make, manage and man products and deliver services. The latter two have the potential to create jobs in the architectural and engineering sectors, following high demand for advanced automated production systems. When the World Economic Forum surveyed global HR decision makers, some 44% pointed to new technologies enabling remote working, co-working space and teleconferencing as the principal driver of change. Concurrently, advances in mobile and cloud technology allowing remote and instant access were singled out as the most important technological driver of change, enabling the rapid spread of internet-based service models. It's worth reflecting on how we could imagine a changed world like this. Our future place of work might not be an open-plan office, but interconnected workspaces not tied to one place, but many. They will be underpinned by virtual conferencing, complete and constant connection and portability. Our working day will be fundamentally different. Leveraging big data, like real-time traffic information, could cut journey times, making the school run easier, and the morning commute more manageable. That is, if you have to commute, home working will no longer be defined as a Friday luxury, but a more efficient way to work enabled by technology, taking the physical strain from megacities and regionalizing work locations. Technology underpinning what futurologists have christened the Fourth Industrial Revolution will enable disruptive business models to decentralize our economies as we move from value systems based on ownership to ones enabling access. Personally owned assets, from cars to spare bedrooms, will expand entrepreneurship, diversifying revenue streams. It's no fluke that within 3 years of trading, home sharing platform Airbnb offers more rooms than some of the biggest hotel chains.